What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another bike detail going on. Since so many of you guys watched the first detail with the Yamaha FJ09 and the Triumph Street Triple 1050, thought I'd go ahead and do another one for you guys. So we're actually going to be doing two Harleys. One today, the owners are going to come swap this one out, drop me off another one tomorrow. Let's go ahead and get started on this Electra Glide. Welcome back to another episode of Clean Machine. Like I mentioned, we will be detailing two Harleys today. If you're new to the channel, I'm a garage detailer and use YouTube to further enhance my business by giving customers the ability to see exactly what I do to get their toys back in pristine condition. As always, I'll start off with the basic rinse and then do the wheels and tires before a pre-wash. With these Harleys, I'm unable to get them off the ground, so I had to do the wheels once, roll the bike a few feet, and then do the rest. Now that the bike is rinsed down and the wheels are done, let's start with the pre-wash. During the pre-wash stage, I will use this time to use my detail brush to get into the hard to reach areas. As always, if you see anything you like in this video, it is linked in the description below. The detail brush is absolutely perfect for all the small spaces on these Harleys. The dash, buttons, and the fins on the engine can all be reached with ease. I wasn't entirely sure how much water the air cleaner can take, so as a cautionary measurement, they stayed sealed with a plastic bag until drying. My favorite part of the washing process, applying an SiO2 ceramic protection. Watch the water bead off the tank. The bike is now protected for 6 months. With the protection step completed, it's time to dry it off. I'll put that engine to good use to help get every last drop off before buffing. A leaf blower for the big stuff, and the air compressor with a small nozzle for the small stuff. Water likes to hide everywhere on these, so take your time and just trust the process. Both bikes had quite a few fine scratches, so I'll tackle this with mcguiars Ultimate Compound with a microfiber applicator pad and then Chemical Guys Wet Mirror Finish for a second step. I could get the buffer on the big sections, but it was still a lot of using small applicator pads. Time to finally clean up the air cleaner we talked about in the beginning. Alright guys, usually this is the part of the video where we do the big reveal. But this time, I'm going to ask you to stick around and we'll show both bikes at the end. Who am I kidding? I know you guys can skip to the end if you want, but I'm telling you, don't. This edit is worth it. Trust me. Watch it all the way through. Thank you. Alright guys, first Harley's done. Let's go ahead and get started on the second one. Let's check this one out too. Hey, just like the first one, not too bad. Mostly just dusty. A few bug guts from last year. Let's check it out. See how clean we can get it. This one also had a few more hard water spots. mcguiars Compound is great at getting those out, and for 12 bucks at any automotive outlet, I highly suggest getting a bottle. Different bike, same process. Let's go ahead and clean these up. We're going to go ahead and get into the pre-wash now that we've got the initial rinse and the wheels and tires all clean. Prepare yourselves. A lot of detail brush coming within the next minute or two. With most of the little stuff done, we can go ahead and start using the mitt again for a little while. Let's rinse it off and go ahead and start applying SiO2 ceramic sealant. I got a few more places for you guys this time so you can really see how it works and watch the water just run right off the bike. It's now protected for 6 months. We'll go ahead and use the same drying process as last time. This one did require a little bit more use of the air compressor, but in the end, all the water finally found its way to the ground. Back at it with the Ultimate Compound and Mirror Wet Wax. A little bit more chrome on this one as well. Both of these products are safe on chrome and help me get out all of those old water spots. the use of a swirl light finder, I'll go over the entire bike to make sure nothing was missed. Just a few final touches and the big reveal is next that I promised. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap on today's video. Thank you for sticking around and watching this far. I'd also like to give a shout out to both Kim and Matt. Thank you for giving me the chance for your business to detail your bikes, and I'm happy to say because of your bikes I've got another Harley coming on Monday. So once again, thank you for trusting me and giving me this opportunity. But for those of you that'd like to see your vehicle detailed on Clean Machine, go ahead and check me out on Facebook at Clean Machine Auto Detailing. Otherwise, if you guys are liking these videos, please be sure to go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. It's absolutely free and it really helps the channel. Once again, thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.